Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you today. I'm going to try to say this the right way. I don't know. Uh, PAPAIZ, PAPAIZ, I think is what someone said how to call it. I mean, I almost want to say papayas, but I don't think that's supposed to be the way you say it. But um, this is a tough little lock, and the reason is it's got all spool pins in it, I'm sure. Um, because when you put a tensioner on it, um, it turns that much all by itself. So there's either all spools or uh, spools in a T-pin or something like that. And the only way I can see to gut this thing, other than cutting it in half, um, would be to make a follower out of like a little brass tubing. Not a follower, but a front loader, where you pull the core out with your shoe in there, and then after you pulled all your pins, you go to load it back up. You'd use your shoe, and then put you use a front loader and then put your shoe back in. Is the only other way I could see to do it, and I'm not talented enough to make a front loader out of anything like that. So I'm not going to cut it in half either. So I'm not going to be gutting this if I get it picked for you. So I'm going to try this in hand. Like I have picked it before. It is tough, and mainly it's tough to hold, and I can't get a feeling for it in the vise. So, and here's the key. I'll show you that later. And I'm probably going to break this pick. It's really hard to get to these pins in here, because it's kind of like you got to kind of get around a little bit. Not bad, but it's still, you got to get those pins set. I just think I overset everything right then. I don't know. We'll see. Because they're all, I'm pretty sure they're like all spools. See, there's a big drop. I don't know if that looks big to you because of what it started as, but it felt big to me. Okay, I got one right here getting me counter. I think it's 5. Shoot, I can't get it around it. Oh, guess what? That was an overset. Now I got to get it to drop back. I think I did. Yeah, I got it to drop back, so. All right, I think I got that one set. Got that one, it feels like. I think that was 3. Let me come forward for, I think this is 1. This is 1 or my tension wrench. No. Not feeling it now. It's got to be right here. I think I got that one set. Let me check my tension wrench. Yeah, it was about to fall out. Oh, feel one right here. Oh, just slipped off of it. Just slipped off of it again. I just overset the one behind it. Doggone it. Like I said, this is a tough lock. Dang, now I can't get it back. Come on back. Drop back down. Come on. I got like no tension on this at all, guys. Barely holding the tension wrench in. It's Doggone it. Yeah, it's toast. Somehow, whatever it is not coming back down. Whatever it was overset and it wasn't coming back down. I hate when that happens. Not hipping. Okay, that one overset. Doggone. Man. Oh, there it dropped back down. Okay, that was one. Okay, I'm trying to get on two here. Oh, I think I overset two. You hear that double click? I don't know if you did, but I did. You dog. Shoot. Just reset everything by hitting that one. I should have left two alone, I guess. Go back. Are you kidding? There we go. Okay, that one fell in. Got it. Well, I dropped even further that time. I get counter and then it just oversets. You know, it's like, oh no, you know. Ah, jeez. Like I said, this thing's a little booger. Can't believe you're taking this long. I'm working each one of these pins trying to feel where I'm supposed to be at, getting them to drop down again. They get up there and they don't want to come back down now. Just like that. There it goes. And I've got almost no tension on this, guys. I don't trust that. Okay. But it feels like it needs to go. So does this. No, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, that one went. There it is. Finally. Whew. That's a little pain in the booger right there, guys. I'll tell you. It has to have spools on every one of these things. And I would cut it open, but I may have to just do that. And if I do, I'm going to cut this or file or grind this down to where this little piece is flush, you know, for someone else to have fun with. But yeah, but I can't get it for you today. But it is a cool little lock. There's that one. And here's the other side, you know. So, yeah. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. That was my my shot at this PAPAIZ. I don't know. You guys figure it out. But yeah, if I do, I'll just do it in a vinegar bath and clean it up a little bit. But yeah, so thanks for watching, everybody, and stay legal and have fun. Bye.